Teachers' Day speech. Good morning, everyone. Respected principal, teachers, and all my dear friends. I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th of September every year in India. This day is celebrated on the occasion of the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was the second president of India. He was an ideal teacher and a great scholar. Teachers' Day is the best way for the students to express love and respect their teachers. Teachers make our future bright. He helps us to become good human beings. On this day, I want to thank you to all my teachers for all your efforts and dedications. Thanks for watching.